Hi friends, I am going to show how to make free electricity with DC motor. So we need a 5-volt DC motor, a propeller which work with the 5-volt DC motor, a DC gear motor and a gear motor wheel. So let's start making. Take a box and fix the DC motor and the DC gear motor to the box. Then solder the wire of the DC gear motor to the DC motor. Now take the wheel and fix it into the DC gear motor. And fix the propeller to the DC motor. See, when I am spinning the wheel which is fixed to the DC gear motor, the propeller of the DC motor is rotating. This is because while spinning the gear motor, the electricity is also produced and passed it to the DC motor. Thus, it starts spinning.